Welcome to Wyatt's Sunny Adventures Gaming. Now, today's the last day of Warships Season 26, so, as usual, I'll go through the status of my accounts. Now, this season was a little bit different. I made my second account my main account this season. Reasoning, because I messed up on day one with my main account, so I couldn't even take down one building hardly on it. So, 4 rooms is as far as I made it. So I'll just start with the basics, sorta. Now, this has been one of my least favorite seasons. I mean, maybe that's just me, but I don't like it at all. And on my main account, I started off on my highest rank I've ever started the season on, so of course, I have to mess up on day one. So this is just sort of a basic attack. I ain't really been finishing the bases, it's just been people not finishing mine that's been making me win. But this past week, if even that, for this season is, I've done more this past week or so than the entirety rest of the season. And might as well just go ahead and retreat. Ain't gonna get it anyways. Is it just me, but the tanks go faster when I'm retreating than when they are on the battlefield? Is that just me? So, ain't really anything when there was that. There ain't really been much of anything, so I'm going to pause and switch accounts. And no, actually, I'm not. I'll show you my stats for this season on this account. So I've done a total of 82 battles. I've won 45 and lost 37. So I ain't really done the best, so like I said a minute ago, I'll pause and I'll switch account. So now I'm on my main account, which I started out on rank 10, but I'm in rank 8. So I'm not at all doing good either. In case it ain't obvious. Well, I'll do an attack with the few grenadiers that I do have, because I occasionally do a battle on this just because I can. But something that I want to be hopefully next season, like how last season was so easy to save up unlock tokens and stuff, I'd like for next season, or the season after, just another soon season to be easy like that. Because on my main account that I'm on now, I've gotten my headquarters to level 22, so now I'm able to unlock 7 engine rooms. Without a problem. Now I might could actually get an engine room on this, but I sorta doubt it. I think once this machine gun's down here on the left, which now it is, so I'll flare around. I'll just sort of go down the edge here. And the opponent has finished off my base. Okay, Grenadiers, you can do it. Hit the sniper tower. Well, maybe I won't be able to finish off an engine room. So that's basically... This is basically every battle with this account this season. Because what I thought I could do is I thought I would have enough till I could go all the way up to heavies, which are almost to 4, but they're still under 3 engine rooms. And then I could just save up and go 3 engine rooms to 6 engine rooms or something. Like how I normally do. But then I wasn't able to get up to heavies. And I just had... And I only had enough to... And I only had enough to make it a few steps into the tech tree once I surpassed the engine rooms. So I wasn't able to get all the way up to heavies, then I was stuck with Grenadiers the whole season on my main account, and obviously I can't win anything. Now I'm thinking if they can take out this cannon, flare them back there, because if the Grenadiers are close up to the building, it's easy for them to take out. So maybe in this next 45 seconds they'll be able to take out this engine room. It won't matter, but maybe I'll be able to get it. Well, I really doubt that I'll get it with the one Grenadier. Keep in mind these Grenadiers aren't upgraded at all. I'd probably be able to finish off people's bases if they were upgraded. At least be able to get one engine room so I could slowly progress. Because there's been pretty much how every attack's been on this account. Except they generally just all die at the front with the defenses. That's actually been the most farthest back one on there. So this was the only one that I sort of won. Which, once again, obviously with the Grenadiers. But I won percentage-wise, so I took down to 12%, I think it said, that I just retreated. Because assumingly the opponent retreated here, so I'll show you my stats this season here. So, 1-3 and lost 18. So, not off to a good start on this season. Well, definitely not off to a good start, considering there is 6 hours and 8 minutes left in the season. So, I'm going to pause and switch count. So, this count I'm rank 3, 200 rooms. Can't really do nothing either. But I'll see how much I can get done when... Oh, I haven't done anything on this account this season. Just, I guess I wasn't doing much with any of it, so I haven't even done anything this season. Well, first battle of the season on the last day of the season. Now, these Grenadiers are upgraded a little bit, so it might be a little bit easier, but I sort of doubt it. But they take stuff out easy when they're upgraded. slowly I'll be able to get it. And, because I always do this in the last day video, look at how bright that flare is. That just seems to be the thing in all of the Warships season last day videos, so I've turned it into the monthly tradition for all of these videos. I mean, my base has obviously already been taken out. But I'm actually taking the stuff out on here. Now, like I said, this is the first attack I've done this season on this account. So it might be kind of interesting. So down goes this person's base, obviously. No record time or anything. So, first battle of the season was a fail. So, obviously, I've lost one for this season on this account, so I'm going to pause and switch again. So now I'm on my fourth account, which I done one attack on the first day, and I failed, so... Don't really have much on this account. Still, just going to use like every other account. So, just deploy them all down. So it's real simple to do. What if I just had the capability to get something on my main account till I could get some upgrade tokens, and I upgraded the grenadiers. I'd at least be able to take down the bases. Just like I'm doing here. When this is also what a lot of other Boom Beach YouTubers and stuff had to say about this season is, in 4 engine rooms and stuff, they would do like, I'm sure most people have seen this base, like where they got everything up at the front ramp, like how I had it on my Unpigeon account, but they got the amplifier and everything on there. Some people would have that base grenadiers go through that pretty quick. So, you know, they'd fail to people and they'd use that base, but if they got a base that's spread apart, but they attack somebody that's got the base with everything at the front, that they would finish the attack, you know, most of the time not getting all 4 engine rooms, most of the time would at least get 3 of them, and then just waiting until the timer runs out pretty much, because the enemy is using grenadiers. So I'll show my stats for this season on here. So I've lost 2, but if anybody's looking for task forces, there are plenty of links for high and low level task forces, but also to view all of mine. That's all you have to type and you find all of mine, which is quite a few. Or my original task force. So feel free to join any of them. Or feel free to join anywhere that's in the descriptions too. Because there's some there. So I'm going to pause and switch again. So this is another task force. If you're higher level and you're just looking for a higher level task force, well, feel free to join. Link is in the description along with all the other task forces. So, I've done a few attacks on this account, but not really much. I'd kind of like to be able to get one chest and see if I could get this account up a little bit. Because all I need is 2 unlock tokens for warriors. Which I could very easily do that, but the grenadiers are not upgraded. So that's what makes this sort of tricky to do. But maybe I'll have enough to be able to do it. We'll find out. At least hopefully enough till I can take down one, maybe even both engine rooms. Just enough till I could get the one chest for warriors. If I'd have realized that on this account sooner, I'd have tried this probably. You know, in case I mess up on my accounts next season that would start higher up, I'd have a backup account that would start a little bit higher. Because I like seasons that were like how last season was. To where even at 2 engine rooms, it's easy to take them out and win. To where it's easy to get upgraded enough. To where you would go for a good little while. I might be able to take this base out. But I don't really know. Maybe I will, though. No, I ain't able to get this. So that's pretty much it with this account. I mean, not really much of anything. So, 1-1 and lost 3. So I'm going to pause and switch account again. So this is another pretty much basic account. Same status as the other account though, but it'd be hard to do. Just because the grenadiers aren't upgraded. But I'll still do a battle here real quick. I don't think this might be the first battle I've done this season. The opponent has retreated. So let's take out this one sniper tower and retreat ourselves. Because I say that's easily a win. Maybe I didn't look at how many stars I got. Maybe this be enough to get to rank 6 now. That is my second battle of the season on this account. Yeah, sure, I use diamonds on this one. Maybe if I can get a few more like that. I'll be able to get up to rank 6 or something for enough unlock tokens for warriors. Now this is something else that I'm going to do just for a fun experiment, maybe. Is some point since this coming week there's no warships, but I have an account that I could technically unlock warships on. I just need to upgrade the headquarters. So I'm thinking I'll do a video showing what happens when you unlock warships when there's currently not a season. Will it put a demo season on there for 2 days or something? Or will it just tell you to wait till the next season starts and it'll show you the tutorial? What will it do? That could very well be a 2-part video depending on what it says. You know, if it says wait till the next season starts, you know, I'll record a little bit more once season 27 starts and see what happens. So I'll be able to finish off this base, I believe. But after this battle, I'll show the attacks on this and or my status for this account, and that'll be pretty much it. And obviously failed. So I've won 1 and lost 2. So thanks for watching Wyatt Sunny Adventures Gaming, and bye.